another video. How y'all doing today? And you guys may be seeing something a little bit different. You know, I've been gone for, I'd say maybe a week. Once again, guys don't know what's going on. I'm actually just, I don't know. It's kind of hard to upload a lot with school and band and going on and stuff, homework. So, but you know, I shouldn't be complaining because I decided to do this. This is my choice. But I'm back, guys. Don't worry. I know I've been gone, but it's whatever. I got my glasses today. Yeah, if you guys did not know, I've been wearing glasses for like 7 years, since like the 2nd grade. About 7 years. I'm 14. I was about 7. Yeah. So I'm back now. I'm doing my thing. Nothing new really. Just fall break. It's fall break. Today is Friday. It's fall break, and tomorrow I'm going to a parade and stuff. So I guess guys, let's just get in the video. You know, why not? Alright guys, it is next morning. We're on our way to a parade now for a college in our city. It's their homecoming weekend, so they always have a parade. I think the game's today actually. But it's like 8:30 in the morning right now. We're about to head downtown. That's where parade is being held. And I'm excited, so let's get to it, I guess. This is so confusing. Okay, I'm sorry guys, but I really gotta get back into the flow of vlogging. So, you know, it's gonna take me a while to get used to it, but here we go. Alright guys, the parade is starting now. Yeah, excited? Okay.
That's nice, though. It's really good.
Sounds good. What else you see? This right here. Yeah. Yeah. They bad for to come up? That's good. No, the 8th week. I was thinking mom did it. He's like, wow, I can't wait. There you go. There you go. That's my little cousin there. Let's get it. Hey. See Dallas, mom? See Dallas? He's like, what? They had no. Colors. Skate club. Chris needs to be in this. Hey! I can do that. see Dominic and Cameron. You remember them? Cameron told the dreads to play black. Look at the baby Storm Ranger. Look at the baby Storm Ranger. You hear them quiet time? That's all. That's all I can. They gave me a hustler.
that's it.
Alright guys, so the parade is over. My mom was over there talking to a couple of our family members. But we're out here at this memorial downtown.
We're about to read some old stuff. Do you know how old these people are?
Why you gotta be so mean? Look at the army men.
George Washington.
Alright guys, so we're about to go, and my parents just surprised me with something you won't believe it. My brand new car! My first car right here. Y'all already know what it is. I'm finna whip it. I'm finna be whipping it. Nah, I'm joking. This is my dad's old car. He's about to get it fixed up. Do a bunch of stuff to it. That's not my car, guys. I'm only 14. They're not about to buy me a car. But I got you guys with clickbait. Haha. Alright guys, so it's a couple hours later. It's dark now actually, and I've been playing this all day. Hopefully I get a video out for you guys this upcoming week of me playing it. Something new maybe. I don't know. But we're about to head over to my aunt's house and bring something to her. And I'm wearing slides and they hurt. I don't know why. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm still kind of bored. I know this video is like consists of drumming, trying to get down here, but that's all I do in my free time. So I'm gonna play something else. I'm playing snare for you guys. I don't really play. I just retaped my sticks, by the way. This is not what I play in school. I play the entire drum, but I'm just using it as a stand for right now. You guys ready? Here we go. Alright guys, so that was the vlog. I know it's kind of just, okay, this is really cringy actually. These glasses make me feel weird. But alright guys, that was the vlog. If you guys enjoyed, leave a thumbs up. I know it's just drumming and bands and stuff, like my last couple of videos. But that's what I've been like taking my life. That's my life now, guys. You just understand that. That's why I haven't been pumping out videos like I used to. Because band, like, gotta practice this. I have an exam coming up for band to move up to a new class. So hopefully I pass that. If you guys wish me luck, get this video likes, a bunch of likes. That shows me that you guys care about me and give me luck or whatever. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. If you guys enjoyed, leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so you never miss a new video. It is fall break, so hopefully more videos come, and I'll see you guys next time.
New V, just bought a timepiece for my new dime piece. Well, I'm ballin', don't stall it. Put your all in. Stop talking, gotta crawl in for you walking. On the weekend, spin the front end and the back end. Booty so big, got me thinking about a